captain wins the toss and is elected to bat first. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. But the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Oh, that's very close. That's confirmed by the umpires. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. It's very important as a bowler to make the batsman play. Masterful batting. He's not going to miss out on those. Good shot for a single. This is poor fielding. They can't leak out runs like this. Fans would be disappointed. The captain would definitely feel let down by that effort. Fielders are expected to support the bowler. Need to keep things really tight. Batsman losing his concentration there. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. Pace bowler into the attack. And the batting power play comes to an end. In the air. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. The close-in fielders should be on their toes to ensure that the batsman stays on strike. That's a beauty. The batsman had to play at that one. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Found the gap beautifully, and that races away to the boundary again. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. Loose shot and the fielder pulls off a beauty. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. That's high in the air. Last ball coming up. Gone, bowled the right length and found the edge. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Batsman losing his concentration there. Well, that is glorious, absolutely glorious, perfect timing. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Not a great ball, and that has been hammered. Terrific shot. The bowler is looking furious. Is a short ball coming? Superb delivery, can't do much with that. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Glorious, absolutely glorious. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. Well, that's an interesting field in place. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. Batsman losing his concentration there. That's a beauty. The batsman had to play at that one. Batsman losing his concentration there. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Oh, that's good. Not good if you're a batsman. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. He's very lucky to get away with that one. That's skillful bowling. Last ball coming up. Good shot for a single. They put a good all-round performance today, bowled well to defend their total. They've earned the victory.